Hi guys, today I'm going to be sharing with you all my recipe for boil and fry dasheen. This is a ground provision and you can use any type of ground provision for this recipe besides dasheen, like cassava or eddos, and you can even use potatoes. So to make this, you're going to take the dasheen and we're going to cut it up into small pieces. This actually helps you to peel it better. You're going to peel that skin off of the outside of the dasheen and then cut it up into small cubes. Place this into a bowl with some water, and you would want to wash the dasheen properly to make sure there's no sand or dirt residue, and then place it into a pot with clean water. Add some salt and place this to boil on a medium heat. We're going to cook this dasheen until it's very tender. Once it's tender, we'll drain that water out and set it aside. To a pot on medium heat, I'm going in with a piece of golden ray. Allow the golden ray to melt. Next, I'm going in with some chopped onions. Next, go in with some chopped pimento peppers and hot peppers if you like. And we're going to saute this until the onions are translucent. Next, go in with some freshly minced garlic and cook until the onions and the garlic are a light brown color. Next, I'm going in with some chopped tomatoes and some sliced multicolored sweet peppers. Going in with some scallions chopped and celery chopped, and I'm just going to saute this for about 2 to 3 minutes. Add salt to taste, and next I'm going to go in with that dasheen that we boiled, and you want to mix to combine. Once everything has been mixed in properly, taste and adjust your salt, and then this is ready to be served. Today I've served my boil and fry dasheen with some stewed fish, the recipe which can be found on my channel. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's recipe. Make it and let me know down below if you like it. Remember to give the video a thumbs up and to share with your friends. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!